If you're watching this video, it's because you want to learn how to change your life for the positive fast. This one technique, implementing this one thing, will change your life so quick it's not even funny. And it's so easy, but yet so hard at the same time. What is this one thing I'm talking about? It's taking accountability. That's it. That's simple. All the shit that's been going on in your life, all the things you've been through, take solo ownership for. What does this mean? This means stop blaming your mom for not loving you enough. This isn't your neighbor's problem. That girl didn't leave you because her friends got it in her head that you're a piece of shit. No, it's all on you. Take it into consideration that everything in your life is on you. If you start to implement this, and how do I know? How do I know that this changes your life? Because I've implemented it before. I used to blame other people. I used to blame situations. I used to blame everybody but me for the circumstances of my life. And because of it, I was a victim to the circumstances of my life. When I started taking accountability for my life, and I mean everything, even the things that I wasn't involved with, even the things that I felt that wasn't a part of me, if that makes sense, wasn't a part of my issue, I took accountability for. And this ultimately gave me control of my life again. So if you're in a shitty situation, this will change your life. I guarantee it. It's hard to do this because it's a lot easier to blame other people for your shit. It's a lot easier to blame the government for why you don't have money, or to blame your neighbor for why you're in your shitty house, or, blame some outside source for why your life is shit. Understand your life is shit only because of you. And even if that's not actually the case, you have a lot more power in the situation believing that it is all on you, because then it is on you to change it. No one's coming to save you. It's on you to save yourself in that situation. A lot of people don't like that, though. A lot of people don't like to have that pressure on them to change their circumstances. But I'm telling you right now, if you don't do that, your life will never change. You'll never get over that depression. You'll never get out of the ghetto. You'll never get out of poverty. You'll never get out of your circumstances if you're always blaming other things for your circumstances. If you start blaming yourself and taking complete accountability for, I live in a shitty neighborhood. Maybe it's on me to get the hell out of here. Maybe it's on me to find a solution to figure out why I don't have a lot of money, or why I'm bitter about certain things in certain aspects of my life, why I can't hold down a relationship, why people always leave me. 9 times out of 10, it is you. And in my case, I take accountability for everything. Everything is synchronicities to me. So if something goes awry in my life, if something starts to happen or change in my life that's not in favor of me, I start to reflect on what I can do to change it, what I'm doing, what I'm not doing, where I'm lacking, what I need to work on so that this event doesn't happen again. And if you start to implement this in your life will change. I guarantee it, for the better. Your life will you'll have more control. You will liberate yourself from your situations. This is the fastest way too. This is the fastest way to actually positively change your life. It's not reading books. It's not watching podcasts. It's all about taking accountability. Stop blaming the president. Stop blaming the government. Stop blaming liberals or Democrats or Republicans. If you don't, you don't have to, but if you don't, your life's never going to change. You're always going to be a product, as I said, of your environment. You're always going to be subjugated to whatever goes on around you. You're never going to be able to transcend your experience or your environment, most importantly. But if you are able to implement this, and I mean everything, take accountability for literally everything in your life, everything that goes right, everything that goes bad, you're in control. You're unstoppable now because it is all on you to change it. If something doesn't go the way you planned it or doesn't go according to how you would like your life to be, then change it. Now it's on you. Now you're like, damn, I didn't like this. Oh, I don't like being in a toxic relationship. So it's on me to change myself so I don't attract those people, or to put up the right boundaries so when somebody toxic presents themselves, I tell them to get the hell out of my life. It's that simple. I don't have time for that shit. But you ain't doing that. Chances are, if you're not taking accountability for your life, you're not doing that. You're not standing for anything. You don't have value on yourself. This will give you value. This will give you purpose. This will give you direction, all just by taking accountability. This one thing. Take accountability and understand no one's going to save you. You are your own hero. And you could say, oh, no, Superman didn't save me, so that's why my life's shit. No, you are Superman, my guy. You got to take control of your own life. And I'm primarily speaking to men because I see men all the time not taking accountability for their shit, not taking accountability for their actions, blaming their partner for walking out, blaming other people for their shit, their lack of effort, their lack of commitment, their lack of discipline. But even though I'm speaking to primarily males, because that's what I am a male human, that used to be exactly where a lot of those males that aren't taking accountability are at now. You can also apply this if you're a woman. Just take accountability. It's no one else's fault but yours for being in a spot currently that you don't care to be in. It's on you. You don't like your life, then change it. And trust me when I say it, because I did it for myself. My life used to be shit. And I used to blame everybody for my shitty existence until the moment I realized, wow, I am the problem. It's me that needs to change. It's me that needs to start setting up boundaries. It's me that needs to stop accepting everybody into my life as awesome people, because they're not. And once I started to set those boundaries and realize I'm accountable for everything that goes wrong, and if something goes wrong, I'm checking myself to see what I did to cause this to happen in my life, everything changed. My whole life shifted. Now I have a happy life. I'm happily married. I have kids. I'm doing a bunch of amazing shit. And it's all because I started to take accountability for my life. Everything. Even my childhood trauma that wasn't on me necessarily. I started to take accountability for my role in that. What was my lesson in that? What did I have to learn from those situations? And when you have that mindset, this is all about a mindset shift. If you're able to shift your mindset into accountability, you're unstoppable now. There's nothing you can't conquer. There's nothing you can't have. So know this moving forward. Accountability is the quickest route to happiness, is the quickest route to success, is the quickest route to anywhere you want to go, any endeavor you're trying to conquer or have in your life. This is the one thing. This is the step that I don't feel like a lot of people talk about. It's so simple. Accountability. It's that easy. There's no hack. There's no, secret. It's just that. But I understand also that it's really hard to take accountability for your shitty life, for the things that go wrong, for everything that you blame other people for in your life. If you're able to start blaming yourself and pointing at yourself for direction and guidance and giving yourself that power back, it will change your life. Absolutely overnight. If you're able to implement this step right now, today, everything will shift tomorrow. I promise you. Know that you are loved. Know that you are light. And if you don't know it, know that I know it. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Until next time, I'm out.